Unveiling the secrets of the universe. Join us on an extraordinary journey as we embark on the TSS mission, a groundbreaking quest to find Earth-like exoplanets and unravel the mysteries of distant worlds. Witness the incredible technology, awe-inspiring discoveries, and the tantalizing possibility of alien life lurking just beyond our reach. Brace yourself for a cosmic adventure like no other as we explore the vast expanse of space in search of our celestial neighbors. Get ready to be captivated by the wonders of the TSS mission, finding Earth-like exoplanets. TS. NASA's leading planet-hunting spacecraft has spotted its second planet that matches Earth's size and may be able to retain liquid water. And both worlds orbit the same star. NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TSS, launched in April 2018. Since then, the mission has discovered 285 confirmed exoplanets and more than 6,000 candidates. One of the most intriguing of the confirmed planets is a world dubbed TOI 700, which is about the size of Earth and located in its star's habitable zone. Now, scientists have determined that the planet has a neighbor that's just as tantalizing, thanks to an October 2021 alert that the Earth-orbiting telescope had seen something interesting. TSS finds TSS finds planets by staring at stars for a month at a time, looking for small dips in brightness that can indicate a planet passing between the star and the telescope. From these dips, astronomers can estimate the size of the planet and clock its orbit. In 2020, Gilbert and her colleagues reported the discovery of 3 planets around a small star called TOI 700. TOI stands for TS Object of Interest, which is located about 100 light-years away from Earth. That star is a red dwarf, but unlike many of its siblings, TOI 700 is relatively quiet, without the sudden pulses of activity that could frighten any life on a nearby world. In the full 2-year data set that we have from TSS, we see no evidence of optical flare, Gilbert said. 2 of the 3 planets that TSS initially found in the TOI 700 system orbit too close to the star to look much like Earth, but the third world, known as TOI 700, is particularly tantalizing. That world, the scientists found, is about 20% larger than Earth and orbits the star every 37 Earth days, putting it in what scientists call the habitable zone, where temperatures should allow liquid water to exist on the surface. First discovery. Since the discovery of the first planet outside of our solar system in 1992, the field of exoplanets has been booming with interesting finds. From the Diamond Planet orbiting a neutron star to the giant pink planet orbiting a star in the constellation of Virgo, telescopes all over the world have been racing to find the latest gem. Of particular interest are Earth-like planets. A team led by a graduate student at the University of Chicago report the first Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone found by the TSS mission, and its surroundings were quite a surprise to astronomers. Searching for planets in all the right places. Some of the biggest questions we humans like to ask are, is there life out there in the universe? And are there other solar systems out there with planets just like ours? To answer these questions, astronomers have built larger and more advanced telescopes to try to find planets outside of our neighborhood, specifically those similar to our world. The Kepler mission was launched in 2009 specifically to search for these kinds of planets. Earth-sized planets in Earth-like orbits are on sun-like stars to study how common they are in the universe. The mission has made many amazing discoveries, such as an exoplanet with the density of Earth, a planet in a binary star system, and the first Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone of its star that orbits around an M-dwarf star that is about half the size of the Sun. Kepler's extended mission, K2, focuses on low-mass stars and has led to the discovery of hundreds of small planets, some even in the habitable zone of their stars. Together, Kepler and the K2 mission have found over 3,000 new exoplanets. Exoplanets are very small and very far away, so it is very difficult to find them. Astronomers use 4 methods. The transit method, which looks at how much a star dims as a planet goes in front of it or eclipses it. The wobble method, which looks at how a planet and a star move around a common center of mass. Direct imaging, which means taking a picture of the planet, straightforward but very difficult and limiting, and microlensing, which happens when light from a distant star bends around a star/planet system. TS, or the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, was launched in 2018 and was designed to search for small planets around the Sun's nearest neighbors using the transit method. In today's paper, we discuss the first results of Earth-sized planets Found in the habitable zone of an M-dwarf star, planets contained in an odd planetary trio. The host star. Understanding the properties of the host star is key to determining the habitability of the planets around it. M-dwarf stars are smaller and dimmer than the Sun, but are much more common in the universe. The star that the team found the planets around is called TOI 700. To determine its fundamental properties, such as mass and temperature, the team used 3 different methods to validate their results. After using known relations, checking their spectral energy distributions against known spectra, and using spectroscopy, they concluded that the star has an effective temperature of 3,480 K, which is about 2/3 of the Sun's temperature, and a mass and radius that is about half that of our Sun. They found no flares from the star in the observations over 5 years, which points to a low amount of magnetic activity, making the system more likely to be habitable. As we marvel at the wonders of the universe, the TS mission stands as a beacon of hope and curiosity, guiding us on a quest to find our cosmic neighbors. With every dip in starlight and every glimpse into distant worlds, TSS fuels our imagination and ignites our desire to explore the unknown. Perhaps one day, through the diligent efforts of missions like TSS, we will uncover an Earth-like exoplanet, teeming with life, brimming with possibilities, and forever changing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.